All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I've got something pretty cool besides a little bit of hair on this thing, but anyways, I got something very, 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 very cool on this, inside this pouch. Would you look at this? This is a fantastic one, guys. You're gonna be in for a treat today, and first of all, huge shout out to my buddy Tim because he's sending these beauties along, so I'm able to share them with you. How cool is that guy? Huge shout out to him. Fantastic dude. Thanks again. Secondly, you can also check fablades.com and see what is going on there. There are some knives, there are some toys. See if you like to shop around. But do it after you checked this guy over here. This is Maskas Primero, which in English means first. And there's the secondo, which is second. It's more clear. But the primero is the first, the il primo. Primero, it's Spanish, and primo is Italian, and first is English. There you go. Look at this time Maskas set of scales in this liner lock. Hello. And do you notice anything weird? Like, for example, the absence of screws, hardware. I say, don't look at this. Don't look at that. Pretend I'm, just this. See? No screws. You get, one screw here. But come on, guys. No screws on a liner lock. Hidden hardware for the clip and the scales. That is the only one made like that. Originally, this one was sporting polished scales, and now it has matte scales, which I prefer. I love it. And it's showing all the pattern in a very subtle, elegant way, non-flashy at all. So good looking. Guys, check this out. I don't know what else to say. Should I just shut up and just give you a tour of the knife like that? Or you want me to blah, blah, blah? I can blah, blah, blah a little bit. Otherwise, it's going to be boring. I'm going to get bored. Anyways, there's a couple of things that I want to point out about this one. So, titanium mirror polished backspacer, which is floating right there. It's incredible. The level of fit and finish on this thing is second to none. There is literally no ridges, no lip, no bevel, nothing. Guys, it is ridiculous. It's crazy. Fantastic craftsmanship going on over here. The blade is perfectly centered like there's no tomorrow. The tolerances are ridiculously low, like really, the world is gonna end. I don't even know how to show you, but look at the space that is between the blade and the liner. Look at this. You can barely, as soon as I tilt the knife, it's gonna disappear on this side. This side a little bit lower, but of course you have the lock on this side, so this is gonna be a little bit more close to the blade. This is ridiculous. I love this. The jimping, how is lined up to the scale, is spectacular. Look at the precision. It's so good. The jimping, of course, on the back matches the jimping on the blade. You get a Tanto blade. I am not sure about the steel. It might be M390. Maybe. If you have more info, just drop a comment down below. Hand rub satin, Tanto, harpooned, swedge. Look at the tip of this thing. Hollow grind. I am curious. Oof, 5mm stock. This is a beast. This is gorgeous. You have a liner lock with titanium liners blasted, which are not even, you cannot even feel the difference in materials because they're so flush. Zirconium backspacer, pocket clip with hidden hardware. Very nice. Guys, I really don't know how to describe this. Let me check the weight because this is going to be substantial. I mean, you have 5 millimeter. Look at the stock of this steel. And are you ready? Are you ready? Let's see in ounces. This is going to be 7.79 ounces. This is a tank. And it's built like a tank. This is like solid knife. Great in the hand. Fantastic. The harpoon is just like a perfect spot for your thumb. So good. Nice finger groove. Beautifully chamfered. There's a lock bar access, also a little bit of material removed on the top liner just to allocate more meat of your thumb. That's pretty good. There is no stainless steel lock face insert, but I do see some carbidization on the lock face, so it's going to eliminate the lock stick for your lock. The stop pin is internal, if you see right over there. Very interesting build. You have, of course, hidden hardware, which is going to require like a custom tool to access the inside, remove the scale, and then you can just take it apart. There's going to be screws going through the spacer, 1, 2, 3 precisely, that are leaving with little washers the illusion of a floating back spacer, which is super nice. And blasted titanium liners, polished pivot screw. What else you have going on in this one? Nice finger / sharpening choil. Absolutely functional. Super functional jimping on the flipper tab. Beautifully executed. Rounded off like masterfully. And let's just talk about the action for a second, because push button, this thing deploys like when you deploy this blade, like you see it's like the handle shakes and the blade wants to drag away the handle. It's ridiculous. Like the momentum that this thing has, like, it just gets your handle to shake. Push button, let's do it. Light switch, yes please. And let's go. Look at the closing action one more time. Boom. Spectacular. It is a spectacular knife. Fantastic action, top level craftsmanship. Really expensive one, of course, guys. This is not cheap stuff. This is fancy, high-end jewelry. This is pocket jewelry, guys. It's the materials, the craftsmanship, fit and finish. The sound, oh, wow, it's precision. Clack and clink. Super subtle closing sound. I love it. Are you serious? This is gorgeous. One of the best action. This is, dialed in, and the detent is so good. I mean, it's heavy, of course. I mean, it's expensive. Duh. I mean, it's a fancy Maskas, Primero, Tanto, Satin, Maskas, liner lock, hidden hardware. You get all the bells and whistles that you can only dream about on a knife. Look at the action, the sound, the fit, finish, hand, feel. Guys, it's a gorgeous knife. That's it. I'm gonna wrap it up because I love this one. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.